In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit jobs in Connecteam. Whether you're a manager updating tasks or an employee adjusting your schedule, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and make sure you're comfortable with everything you need to do. First, you'll want to be logged into your Connecteam account. This is your central hub where all the scheduling magic happens. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a variety of options there, but today, we're focusing on the Schedule tab. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can view, manage, and of course, edit all the job schedules you're responsible for. After clicking on the schedule, you'll be taken to the Shift Scheduler page. This is your workspace for editing jobs. Here, you'll see a list of all the jobs and shifts that have been scheduled. Scroll through this list to find the specific job you want to edit. Once you've found the job you're looking to modify, simply click on it. This will open up the job details. From here, you can make any necessary changes. Maybe you need to adjust the start or end time, update the job description, or reassign it to a different team member. Whatever it is, you have the flexibility to update these details right here. After making your edits, it's important to review the changes to ensure everything looks correct. Double-check any time adjustments or reassign tasks to make sure they align with your team's needs and expectations. Once you're satisfied with the updates, don't forget to save your changes. This is crucial to ensure that all your adjustments are applied and visible to everyone involved. Editing jobs in Connecteam is straightforward, but it's always helpful to take your time to ensure accuracy. Remember, the updates you make can impact the workflow of your team, so it's worth taking an extra moment to verify everything. And that's it. You've successfully edited a job in Connecteam. With this knowledge, you're now empowered to make timely and effective changes to your team's schedules, keeping everyone on track and informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process a bit clearer for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy scheduling!